Hello all and welcome to my musings. Today I was wondering how India has been dealing with this coronavirus. This pandemic has affected the globe all across and we have been in a very tense situation for the past few months. There are daily updates which have been scaring us to the roots. However, I think the Indian government is doing a very good job in handling coronavirus. Well, the virus itself is such that it may need a lot of attention, and I think we are doing it quite diligently. Not only the government, but the people seem to be equally keen and equally diligent about driving away corona. India is a country which loves celebrating, which loves socializing. Probably no other country in the world is as social as India. Every moment for us is a moment of celebration. We Indians are used to celebrating even our weekends. We are always on the streets. We go out to restaurants. The streets are always bustling with activities, be it with street food, decorations, restaurants, the malls. I think India is a very, very happening place. But now, thanks to Corona, look at these deserted streets. Not a single vehicle. Never do you get to see the streets of Delhi NCR this way. These are roads which are otherwise hyperactive. These are roads where you always see traffic, where you see cars dashing bumper to bumper. The cars cannot speed above 20 on these roads on a normal weekend, or even for that matter on a normal weekday. So you can imagine to what extent the Indians are indisciplined. Look at these roads and you can see that not a single person is on the roads. You can even see all the shops shut. We Indians are known to be highly indisciplined, but now these roads speak otherwise. These tell us stories of how disciplined, how caring, how sensitive we Indians are towards a social cause. Not only this, each time the Prime Minister comes up with a request, a call for showing solidarity, every Indian is there by him in showing solidarity, in showing the community feeling. We Indians stand united when there is a problem. Look at the way we displayed our unity on the 5th of April. Prime Minister Modi had asked all the Indians to light lamps at 9 o'clock. Look at the sight. The entire nation witnessed darkness to be lightened up only with oil lamps or flashlights from their phones. Every Indian could feel the intensity of the situation. We stood by each other in fighting this war against Corona. Hats off again to all those Indians, all those civilians who participated in this great act. I just hope that all this unity that we are displaying, all the efforts being put in by the medical professionals, all the dedication displayed by our police professional, by our government, by all those social organizations in dealing with these situations. I just hope that the work of all these people really pays off. Along with the wishes of crores of Indians, we are actually able to battle coronavirus. We all stay united today against the battle with corona. And the simple thing that we civilians can probably do is to just stay back at home. Let us not create more trouble for the frontliners. Let them do their job with ease. Let us help them in doing their job. At this moment, they are the heroes who are guarding the nation. Let's all hail them, respect them, and let's all show our solidarity with them. Jai Hind! Stay tuned for my further videos. Bye-bye and see you soon.